guys, so this is just me trying to get some toiletries. I really missed you guys, honestly. Like, taking a break from YouTube has been tough. But I'm back now, so I really want to be more consistent and give you guys more recipes. I hope you guys are having a good Saturday. Today is November 9th, 2024, and I'll see you soon. You guys, I literally bought Sensodyne toothpaste the last time and it was $6.59, and now it's $8, almost $10 for this toothpaste. What's going on? Oh my gosh. Wow. Is it just me, or who else has noticed this soaps created by one man called Biggs and Featherbell? This soap smells so good. My favorite is the eucalyptus bar. Let me find it and show you what it looks like. I love how it smells. Oh, they're out. Oh no. I don't see it anymore. Oh, they probably sold out. It's so good. That's probably why I can't find it. But I've also tried the lemon bar, which is this first one, and it smells so good. You actually feel super clean, you know, when you take a shower with it. I love it. I feel so sad that I can't find the eucalyptus one, but it's fine. I mean, I'll be back to check again, but it really smells good. And yeah, it's woman owned. That's really cool. That's really cool.